What's up? Tim Sykes here in Kenya, feeding this giraffe through this window, which is just extraordinary. This has been on my bucket list for years, if not decades. I think I saw a picture of this on Instagram or something. Now that you're seeing this, hopefully you get inspired. And my question to you is, what can you do today? What can you do tomorrow? What can you do this week, this month, this year to get to places like this, okay? I'm here on what? What's today, Val? A Wednesday? I don't even know. You can talk, Val. It's cool. We're keeping the casual.
Yeah,
Wednesday?
I think it's a Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday. So I have a live webinar later today. The stock market is actually open at 4:30 in the afternoon. So right now I'm just eating breakfast, feeding my buddy Jeffrey here. And I'm just so motivated because a lot of you guys think, first of all, that feeding a giraffe through a window is impossible. Or that, becoming successful and becoming a millionaire is impossible. I know that it's tough, okay? It's not gonna be a given. Like, if everybody were a millionaire, it wouldn't be the richest 1%. But with enough hard work, with dedication, with patience, and with a mentor, you can get there. This is why I dedicate my life, not just to traveling, but to teaching. I have so many thousands of video lessons, DVDs, live webinars. I try to show you everything that I've learned over the past 20 years. My team actually does this too. I have 5 millionaire students. They give live webinars too. So we have this great little community of stock traders just trying to show you how to do this, how to get here. Because frankly, jobs suck. Working for somebody else sucks. Actually, 75% of people hate their jobs. So you have 3/4 of the world hating what they're doing the vast majority of their life, the vast majority of the time. Like, that's messed up. I want you to love your life. I want you to come to beautiful places like this. So that's why I created the Millionaire Challenge. If you actually click the link just below this video, you can apply for my challenge. We don't accept everybody. There's actually a whole interview process. My team will see if you have the right fit. If you just want to get rich quick, if you just want hot stock picks right away, please don't apply. If you're lazy, please don't apply. I'm looking for dedicated students. I now have thousands of students in over 100 countries, but you still have to study hard. You can learn from anywhere, you can work from anywhere. I'm actually trading stocks. Where's my laptop? My laptop's over here. Sorry, this place is a little mess. My friends and I had breakfast. Now I'm giving this guy breakfast, and I'm giving you information because it's not enough just for me to be here, okay? I challenged myself to create 1 millionaire. I challenged myself to create several millionaires, and now I have. And I want more. And it's not just about the money, it's about becoming self-sufficient. That's what I'm most proud of with all my top students. They don't need me anymore. They don't need me to feed them like this giraffe needs me to feed him, right? Actually, the analogy works. All of my top students can trade whatever stock they want. They can make money wherever they want, whenever they want. Not every time though. Nothing is guaranteed. A lot of you guys are thinking, oh, this seems too good to be true. Well, you're still gonna have to put in a lot of time and effort, okay? I'm not just gonna feed you hot stock picks like I'm feeding this giraffe. I'm gonna teach you the ins and the outs, everything that I've learned over the past 20 years. And I know this seems a little ridiculous, but my life is a little ridiculous. I'm from a small town in Connecticut, and now I've traveled all over the world. I have all the toys that I could ever want, and what really pumps me up these days is not anything that I do for myself, but what I do for others. I have my charity, the Timothy Sykes Foundation, fantastic. We've donated $4.7 million to building schools and helping animals and helping kids all over the world. But now I want to teach you. And I know that you probably have some doubters and some haters saying, oh, you're capable of this, you're not capable of that. You're capable of anything, okay? I know this because I'm not that smart, I'm not that good at math. None of my top students are geniuses. We just put in the time and effort, and you had the right mindset. That's why I make videos like this, to get you having the right mindset, to want to study, to want to learn, to want to have the best life possible. You have one life, okay? You don't get all these chances to just say, oh, let me just be lazy this life and I'll make it up next one. You have one life. So how badly do you want success? How badly do you want freedom? I'm just feeding this guy the entire time that I'm filming this video with you. This is actually pretty amazing. I want you to get to places like this with your family, with your friends. I want you to be able to treat your friends and family. I just bought my parents their own place in Miami Beach. I moved them down from Connecticut. Connecticut's a cold place. Miami Beach is beautiful. So dreams do come true, and this is your daily reminder. This is a visual reminder that what you seem to think might be impossible, it is possible with enough hard work. That's what I'm going to teach you throughout this, okay? I can't make you a millionaire overnight, but I can speed up your journey, and my team can. And it's very beautiful that we have this community, so I'm not alone. So I can feed giraffes while somebody else is giving a live webinar. My top students started with just $1,500, so don't feel like you have to start with like $10,000 or $50,000. You can start with a few $1,000s. It's cool. But what can you do right now to actually be successful and be free in several years? Start planning, start working, start grinding, and get in my challenge if you want to be guided. Okay, that's what it comes down to. Click the link just below this video. I gotta get going. Life is beautiful. Work hard. Let me know if you want me to change your life. I will.